Well, and we'll have more for that for you coming up on that in the evening shows. Our temperatures right now so pleasant, so that would be a great thing to do today if you have time. Lots of blue sky, winds from the north, temperatures 70s to just about 80 degrees. Yesterday we topped out around 83. Today will be very similar. This is what we have going. Of course, very clear where we are, although we may see a few of these high cirrus clouds filter in. Very evident to see what's going on with our atmosphere here with a big blank spot across the middle of the U.S. And then all of this low pressure, stormy weather still happening across much of the Northeast and the Midwest, where it's actually very cold right now. Temperatures in some spots 30s and 40s. Not for us. Today, high temperatures about 82 expected, low humidity, sunshine, winds from the north and northwest up to about 10 miles per hour. For a lot of us, almost a perfect day. A little warm feeling, especially in the bright sunshine if you have to be outside. But overall, the evenings and the mornings have been so pleasant, and the low humidity helps a lot. And temperatures like this are very close to average for this point at the beginning of May. Tonight, we'll eventually drop through the 70s and get into the 60s for lows. South of the lake, lows about 66. That would be for New Orleans and other spots. If you're north of Lake Pontchartrain, upper 50s is what you could see after starting off this morning kind of cool, and actually the past couple of mornings. We'll have a few clouds tonight, but still hanging on to that dry feel. Humidity stays pretty low tomorrow and Thursday, starts to increase Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and stays a little bit on the higher side into early next week. We're not talking about crazy summertime kind of humidity, but it will be going up with dew points closer to about 70, which is a humid kind of number. Jazz Fest forecast Thursday looking great. For Friday and Saturday and Sunday, we'll be getting into the mid to upper 80s with a chance for rain each day. This is Thursday. I wanted to show you so you can get a rough idea of what we're seeing. We'll have just a few disturbances moving through. No big low pressure system, no huge stormy kind of line moving through at any point, but we will have some scattered rain. This is Thursday, still dry. This is Friday. You saw through the afternoon and evening. Now, this particular model, the European, wants to keep most of the rain north of Lake Pontchartrain, but we will see as these disturbances move through, we'll have a chance for rain south of the lake around the Jazz Fest area as well. So we'll say Friday about a 40% chance. This is Saturday. This particular model run going a little lighter during the day, and only by 6 or 7 p.m. getting a bit of that scattered rain in. And then this is Sunday, 1 p.m. looking okay, slight chance for a few showers, and then into 7 p.m. maybe a couple of showers. That's why we're just keeping the rain chances generally between about 30 to 50% for those 3 days. And if you're wondering how much rain we'll have it through Sunday night, this is the GFS model. These numbers will almost certainly change, but just to get an idea, it's showing less than an inch. Some models, like the European model, does have a bit more. It has closer to 1+ inches of rain. We will see. Things could change a little bit, but it doesn't look like a terrible washout at all. Hurricane Awareness Tour, you just heard Erica mentioning it. This is the kind of thing you'll see. You'll be able to meet the people who fly them, the meteorologists inside of these planes when they go into the storms, and you can go inside the actual aircraft. It's pretty cool. I went in, you can see where they drop the dropsons, those information little packages that go into the storm and feed back all the information. So really cool to get out there if you can at the Lakefront Airport. Public tours are from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. Again, you can meet the pilots, the engineers, the meteorologists. You can tour the aircraft itself. And of course, this is all to promote hurricane preparedness and safety ahead of hurricane season, which is crazy to think is less than a month away. 7-day forecast showing our temperatures going up a little bit. I think we'll stop and top out with temperatures only in the mid to upper 80s by this weekend. Not a crazy hot scene, but it will be more humid, so feeling warm out there at Jazz Fest. And again, probably want some rain gear in your bag Friday, Saturday, and Sunday if you're heading out to the festival, just in case you get one of those hit or miss showers.
All right, thank you, Alexandra.